So you want to install Elementor Pro Nulled or Elementor Pro in your site. So you have a WordPress site, you want to install Elementor Pro. So when you install Elementor Pro Nulled, it's come with a virus. So it's not a good option to use Elementor Pro Nulled in your site because your site gonna get hacked in a second. It's possible chance your site's gonna get hacked. So you don't want to get that. So you want to get Elementor Pro and install in your site with a valid license key, and that is the official and good way to do it. So as you can see, if I search in Google Elementor Pro Nulled, there is a lot of sites come up. They say to download Elementor Pro Nulled version. If you go to one site, let's say for example the WpClub.net, they say download here, whatever place they say download from here. You see all the site they're telling you to go through. It is not a good from there. If you click this link, you're gonna get a lot of ads on the virus site. So you want to get it with a valid license key installed in your site. But are there any free license key available in internet for Elementor Pro? Answer is no. But how do you get it? How do you want for free Elementor Pro with a valid license key and install in your site? How you gonna get it? Just watch 2 minutes. I'm gonna show you exactly how to get it. So if you click on the description, there is a video link and a video on the description of a YouTube video. After you click on that link, you will gonna come up to here. So how does that work? So nothing is free, as you know. If you want to Elementor Pro to have in your site and install with the valid license keys, it's gonna cost $5. But don't worry, there is a 100% coupon code you're gonna get for a limited time. So you're gonna get it for free, completely free. So how does that work? So click on step 1. After you click on there, you wanna go to click join. Then you're gonna go to confirm your email and verify your phone number, so it is authentic user. So if you want to confirm your phone number, just go to under your username and go to security and then put your number and verify it. Step 3, click in this link and contact and compose a message. Write a coupon code. Want a coupon code? This user will get back to within 24 hours to send you a coupon code valid for $5 balance. So and step 4, what do you want to do in order to redeem? You want to redeem that coupon code for $5. So how do you do that? Click this link here to redeem. You will see this image, you will see this something, and coupon code. You want to enter the coupon code and redeem. After you redeem it, it will show as a balance of $5. Within that $5, what do you want to do? You want to order with that balance. If you want to click that, you will go back to this page and you can able to order with $5 balance. So you get it for free, Elementor Pro install in your site with a valid license key. So here you go. This is the way to do it. There is no other way. Even though if you install Elementor Pro Nulled, as I said, there is a lot of virus and a hacked. It's gonna confirm your website gonna get hacked. So better use the method I'm gonna show you here. This is gonna be for limited time, so take advantage of that. So bye for now. So if you have any questions, just comments. I'm gonna reply as soon as I can. Bye.